Okay. Hi everyone, this is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. So tonight we are going to dive into your timeless energy check. It doesn't matter whenever you come across this particular energy check, it is meant to find you when it is meant to find you. All right. So don't you worry because even if you are coming across this particular session later on, doesn't matter. All right. So let's see what are your person's current thoughts and feelings towards you right now. Sorry, I'm just adjusting the camera right now. If you are in the no contact period, if you are in a separation situation, this particular reading will help you out navigate the way ahead from here. So I'm going to give you the guidance, the advice and guidance. I'm going to tell you the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you, whether or not there is a reconciliation. Are you in touch with your twin flame or your soulmate or not? So quickly, let's dive into this particular energy check. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that ASAP because I do update the long format videos quite often there. So in case if you're missing out on it, then that will be your loss. All right. So quickly close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, take your person's name and drop a like, hit the like button to connect with my energies and exchange the energy as well. And comment, I claim positive results in my love life. Let's see, what is it that you should know today? What are they feeling? What are you feeling? What has been the past, present, and what does the future says about this particular connection? Oh my god, we have the Chariot and we have the Strength card here. Okay, so I do see that somewhere down the line, your person right now is trying to get a hold of their emotions. It seems like that they are torn between two choices. One, to come forward towards you and engage in this particular connection. The other is to move away from you. So I feel that they are using their mental strength over their emotional strength, and that is why they are feeling torn. It seems like they feel that maybe you are upset or angry with them. It seems like that there are two direction choices and this person is feeling very very confused as to which direction they should be choosing coming forward. Hence they may have taken a break because this break was very much important for them. They wanted to take this break, they wanted to heal, they wanted to maintain some patience in order for them to see what exactly they want out of this particular connection, whether there's a healing in this particular connection or not, whether there is love in this connection or not, whether you guys are meant to be in the future or not. So this is something that they want to see, and that is why they have taken a break, so that they can actually understand what they want out of this particular connection and where they want to take this particular connection, which direction they want to take this particular connection. In the recent past, I see that could have been a painful ending in your life. Could have been a painful ending or a betrayal in your life. I feel that this person sort of uh, left the connection, or probably because of their tantrums or their mood swings, you asked them to leave the connection or you walked away from the connection. But it seems like there has been a painful ending. This painful ending is not only it would not only you know it does not only mean that it's a painful ending between you and your person. It can be a painful ending of their past relationship as well, because of which they feel betrayed, they feel hurt, and they are still recovering and they are still bleeding somewhere down the line. I see past baggages, I see a lot of past baggages, probably some failed relationship or probably some failed marriage that they may have dealt with. So I do see past baggages that they are trying to heal from right now. The hmm, the Four of Pentacles. they're hiding their emotions. They are not letting you know what exactly they feel for you. Okay. uh yeah, so they're hiding actually what they feel for you. They did not express exactly what and how, you know, they felt for you, how much love they felt for you, and why would they want to end the connection. So I feel that you're still in the dark. Even though you have an idea about what's happening, I still feel that you are in the dark right now, and you really don't know what is going to happen. Okay, because Six of Swords tells me that you are still, you know, you're still waiting for this person, you are still waiting for this person. Okay, this card dropped automatically. Okay, so I'm going to take this. So you're waiting for this person to come forward. You are still ready to be in this particular connection. The only problem is you just want this person to take the first step and realize what they have done. The Four of Cups tells me that they feel very disconnected and discontent in life, not only not from you, but in life in general. It seems like that their life has been really tough of lately. Their life has been very tough. Their life has been very, you know, challenging, which has made them a little uh, off track, you know, when it comes to emotions. It seems like that they are not able to make a connection, they are not able to form a connection with themselves. Okay, forget about a connection with you, they are not even able to make or form a connection with themselves. So I feel that, you know, this person is healing, this person is evolving right now. So even if they have walked away from you, it's not forever. It's basically they are taking some time off so that they can recover, so that they can understand and come out of their past and give or make some sense of this particular connection. Okay, I do see that they are gaining that clarity with the Ace of Swords, and they are going to come forward with that clarity, and they are going to tell you, because right now I feel that because of whatever has happened in their past, they are feeling very confused. Okay, they're feeling very, very, very confused. So that's why they have walked away, because they didn't had a proper answer for you, they didn't had a choice, they didn't had a proper answer for you. Even though they wanted to come forward, they had no choice. They didn't get, they didn't get enough time to actually heal from their past and then get into this particular relationship. You just happened to them. And that's why right now, to gain that clarity, to gain that balance in their life, they sort of took this break. And I do see that right now they are thinking it through. So your chapter is not over, it's just on a temporary pause, it seems. Okay, it's just on a temporary pause, because before they can come and they can completely commit to you, you know, they wanted to heal themselves, they wanted to take some time and then come forward and commit to you. Because Ten of Cups tells me that this particular connection promises a lot. This particular connection promises a long term. This person sees a long term with you. Okay, and they want the stability with you. They will come forward and they will ask you this cup of love, this commitment, this stability, because right now they are sick and tired. They are just so sick and tired of moving, back and forth in connections, in relationships, that, you know, they want to commit to you, but not before they're completely healed, because they don't want to carry any baggages or any negativity. They are in love with you, they feel emotional connection with you very strongly, and they feel very attracted towards you. I'm not surprised, because I do see it's a twin flame connection. You're dealing with your twin flame, you're mirroring each other right now. So in case if you've been asking this question, that why are you feeling so much hurt, so much pain, and why is it that you can't just walk away from this person, that is because you are here for a reason. You both are here together for a reason. You have met your twin flame connection right now. So yes, of course, you are going to mirror each other. And twin flame connections are not easy, they can't be forgotten. You carry that scar throughout your life, right? I do see that this person is somebody who is looking for stability. This is King of Pentacles, by the way. So this person is somebody who's looking for stability, somebody who is quite stable, maybe dealing with a Leo, strong Cancerian. Then I see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, very strong. Okay, so I do see that this person is somebody, and Gemini also, by the way. I do see that this person is somebody who is looking forward for stability. Now they want to get settled, they want to get married, and they want to create a secure, stable life, okay, financially as well, so that their partner is able to survive in that particular situation with them. So they are working, and they are working really hard so that things actually turn out in a good way with you, and they can see a long term with you. So this break is actually not a break. This is not something which is going to get over forever. This is not the end of your relationship. So in case if you've been wondering that this is the end of a relationship, then the fact is no. The answer is absolute no, because I do see that they are looking forward to come back, reappear in your life after this particular healing is done. They are equally thinking of you. They are equally thinking and daydreaming about you. So it's not only you who's been thinking, even they are thinking about you. All right. And they are not happy leaving you alone, because the sun tells me that whenever you guys were together, whenever they were together with you, or you were together with each other, you felt complete. They felt complete. They, they feel really happy, very happy whenever they think about you. Your thought itself makes them smile. They feel really happy. You and your person, both of you are very open to each other, and whenever you guys are together, you don't have any filters. You know what I'm trying to say? That everything is quite natural, everything is quite natural, fun loving, and you open each other up. Okay, you open each other up, you make it easier for them to talk to you, and they make it easier for you to talk to you, and both of you feel heard at the end of the day with each other. With the Five of Wands, I do see that there are also some mental conflicts. Either you are feeling mentally very conflicted right now because this person hasn't showed up, okay, or they are feeling mentally conflicted right now. Now let's see whether there is a reconciliation possibility. Okay, so I see Three of Swords, I see Eight of Swords, and I see Seven of Swords. The thing is that this person has been hurt from the past. Okay, in the past, they were cheated, they were betrayed, they were lied to, and they are still carrying that hurt, like I said. And that's why they have been running away from relationships. And they feel that in case, if they be in a relationship, they will again feel the same pain and betrayal. They will again face the same pain and the betrayal. So is there a reconciliation for the people who are watching my video right now with their person? Is there a reconciliation? Tell me, spirits. We have the Empress here. Of course there is a reconciliation, because they see you as somebody who is very caring, nurturing, who knows how to deal with them, who knows how to be a partner, and who is a very good partner, in fact, in their eyes, a very good husband wife material. And I do see that they want to spend their life with you. Okay, you have set a different, I would say, benchmark in their life, and they feel very proud about it, that they have met you, they have known you from such a long time. They feel very, very, very proud about it. And I do see that they want to come forward, they want to reconcile with you, and maximum in 3 weeks to 3 months, this is going to happen. See, oh my god, you guys are mirroring each other's energy. You are with your divine masculine slash divine feminine, or I would say divine counterpart, Okay, you are with your soulmate right now, the emperor and the empress. You guys balance out each other's energy. Okay, you guys balance out each other's energy. Beautiful. Ace of Swords. The communication is coming, guys. In case you've been wondering, at least if not a catch up, when are they going to meet me, see me face to face? That is going to happen in 3 weeks to 3 months. But if you've been asking for a communication, or at least if you've been asking when is the channel of communication going to open up, and when are they going to contact me, then the Ace of Swords tells me in next upcoming 24 to 48 hours, you will get a message, a call, or a WhatsApp or an email from this person. Okay, because they are now gaining clarity super fast, and they are going to come out of their past packages, and they are going to come out of this stagnant situation, and they are going to come forward, march towards you with a proposal. So Six of Pentacles tells me that things are going to get balanced. In the past, if you've been doing more and they have been on the receiving end, now's the time when they are going to give you more. The Ace of Wands tells me that now they are feeling very passionate and drawn towards you. Okay, the Two of Wands tells me that they are dreaming of the future with you. Okay, and I see that now they are going to come back in a very light-hearted way, and that is going to make you feel really, 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 really happy. I'm going to draw out some messages over here. So guys, in case if this reading resonates with you, then and you want more insights, then you can DM me right now, and you can book a personalized paid session with me. And in case if you want this thing to happen really fast, then you can go for the love reconciliation communication or the love obsession spell work with me. Now, what are the messages? I want to fix our connection. See, this just verified everything what we read. I want to fix our connection. What else do we have? Self-love. I am still trying to heal. See, I mean, what else do you want? Guys, this is just the confirmation of what we just read. These messages are confirming the entire reading I did for you guys. Didn't I tell you that they are still trying to heal? I miss our inside jokes. The Sun card. See, amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm struggling to find the right path. Beautiful. I'm struggling to find the right path. So I do see that, whatever we read is absolutely right. This person is struggling because of the past, trying to heal. They miss you, they want to be with you. It just, with time, with divine timings, things are going to become better, and it is not going to take too long for things to for you guys to actually come together, be together, and them to break the silence and step forward or step up in this particular relationship. So guys, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and in case if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then do it ASAP, because you are missing out on a lot of timeless energy updates already. All right, bye bye.